Everybody, I just wanted to add a little bit to the discussion on fires that I made this morning. This is a really dangerous situation that we have in Northern California right now. As I mentioned earlier, we have these dry lightning strikes, which basically means you've got storms bringing lightning without rain. If you brought lightning and rain, it wouldn't be so likely to start fires. But these are dry storms, which have lightning strikes. And the reason why this is so dangerous is that this area hasn't burned in a while. Most of the fires that we had in the last few years have been in the southern part of California, with the exception of some fires that were up here in the Chico area, up in the very northern part of this map here. So what we have is very dry brush and forest and dry lightning, and those two ingredients spark very, very strong fires. Added to the fact that it is extremely hot out there right now, it is very dry and very windy. So you have all of the ingredients for sort of fire, inferno-like fires out in this region. And there are two major ones that are burning right now. One down here in this area around the Santa Cruz Mountains over here. And then the other one up in Napa, Santa Rosa area up here. This is a very large one here. But at any time, other ones could get ignited in the San Francisco Bay Area itself, right around here in San Francisco and Oakland and Berkeley. These areas are all being warned to prepare for wildfires in the next few days. So this is something that we'll be talking about over the first week or so of the class, because it's a great learning experience. We'll be talking a lot more about fires in Module 2.